Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well and I hope you had a wonderful Christmas and New Year. I really feel that this year is going to be better for everyone. I think, you know, COVID can go out the window. So this is my first video of 2021. Yay! Hope you are looking forward to it. So today's video is going to be a Zara haul. So Zara obviously shut where I live for ages because we're in tier 4, but they put their sale online obviously, so I got it on the app, yeah, and I bought some bits in the sale that I like, and yeah, I'm just going to show you what they look like, how much they were. If you want to see what things I've bought from Zara, then carry on watching. So everyone, I've got 5 things to show you from Zara. I did order 7, but 2 of them, they weren't correct, so I'm going to send them back. First item that I ordered from Zara was this top. I'll obviously show you what it looks like trying on, but I'm just going to show you it now. It's this top. It's light mint green with brown spots on it. Really cute. Something different. I've not seen it before. It ties up at the neck, at the back. I've got this in a size small, and this was originally $19.99 down to $12.99. So what a bargain! And it's such a nice silky material. So yeah, I'm going to show you what that looks like on now. So everyone, this is the first item in the haul. It's a lovely silky flowy top. It's got a really cute pattern on it. It's like mint with brown spots. It's high neck and it does up at the back as a little bow. I mean, it is just my style really. I love kind of anything that's like, I don't know, silky. I think this would be really cute if I was going to a meal or drinks, but obviously that's not going to happen anytime soon, is it? You know, got to buy for them future occasions. So yeah, I mean, it's not going to be for everyone, but I like it, so I bought it. And yeah, if you do like it, I'll try and link all the items I found below so you can find them too. Also, I've just paired it with some black jeans for the moment. Lovely jubbly. And hopefully I can wear it sometime soon. So my next item in my haul is this lovely shirt. It's kind of, it's not, I wouldn't say it's cropped, but it's not a full length top. It's got a lovely 2 layers and it's just really pretty. It's got a bit of sparkle in it and all, because you know me, I love a bit of sparkle. So this top, was $25.99. I paid $15.99 for it, but it's now down to £10. So great bargain. Also has these really cute cuff sleeves, so lovely. I'll show you what it looks like now. I would either wear it with these black jeans or some black shorts with tights. So yeah, it's lovely. As you can see, the pattern is really pretty, and on the back it has the 2 layers. The 2 layers go all the way round the whole top, and it's got these real cute cuffed sleeves with a nice collar, and yeah, it's just really pretty. I love it. I think it's so versatile. You could wear it with many different things, and I just think, you know, it will work in the winter, in the whatever season you want. I mean, it's quite light material, but you could just bulk it up and put a jacket on top. So I mean, winner, chicken dinner. In a size small. So my third item is this beautiful jumper. You know, cardigan. It's a cardigan, isn't it? It's beautiful lilac cardigan with flowers, daisies on it. This is me in a jumper, really. My favourite colour is lilac and my favourite flower is a daisy. So, I mean, couldn't have it any other way, could I? And then it's so pretty. It's got like really cute little daisy buttons. Yeah, so this jumper was $29.99 and I got it for $19.99. It's a really nice thick material. It's not itchy or anything. Really cute. I'll show you what it looks like now on. I've got a size small, which is my regular size. So this is the cardigan, my third item. As I said, really cute, really nice pattern. This is what it looks like close up with the little cute buttons. This is what the back looks like, kind of the same as the front. I've got a size small in this, which is my normal size. Really nice and chunky. I'd wear this like this, or maybe I'd wear it open with a top underneath, or over something else. I mean, if I was, you know, like in the summer where it's not cold, but you want to wear a cardigan because it's a bit nippy at night. I mean, you could chuck this over the top of something. But yeah, really cute. The only problem I have is the sleeves are a bit long for me, so I've had to roll them up. But I mean, that's not an issue because I mean, I roll up a lot of my things anyway because my arms are just like T-Rexes. I'll show you another way I can wear it with one of my other items in a minute, so you'll know what I mean. But yeah, lovely jubbly. So my fourth item of the haul ain't really a winter piece. I mean, I was supposed to buy it in the summer, but it got all sold out, so I was very pleased when it was in the sale. So it's this white playsuit, and it ties up at the middle, very cute. It's got pockets. Basically, when I tried to buy this, I found it on Zara app, and it was already sold out, so I was like, great. If I'd have bought it in the summer, it was $25.99. But luckily for me, I've got it $15.99, so that's a winner right there. So I saved me a bit of dosh, didn't I? You know, even though I am pale, white does not wash me out, thankfully, because, you know, then I'd have a problem. So, yeah, I will show you what it looks like on. I got this in my usual size, small. Everything I bought today is in the small. So this is the fourth item in my haul. This is the playsuit. As you can see, it's got these really cute, kind of quarter sleeves, yeah, quarter sleeves. I mean, I know it needs an iron, but I can't wear it anytime soon because I bought it in the winter and it's for summer. But that's kind of what the bottom looks like. The bottom of the hems are like folded over. Whoops, like that. They're kind of folded over. But yeah, really cute. It's got this little tie thing in the middle, but I just thought, you know, it's really nice. It's got a nice collar at the top. Do it all the way up if you want. It's got 2 pockets at the top, 2 pockets at the bottom, so it's definitely a vibe. This is what the back looks like. Obviously, as I said, it don't wash me out, luckily, so that's a godsend. But yeah, I just thought a nice white playsuit in the summer, you can't go wrong, can you? And it's not too short. I mean, you can wear it to many different occasions, so, you know, it's a winner for me, mate. And yeah, I'll show you. You know, I said earlier about showing you like another way I could wear that cardigan. This is the other way. So if you're cold, if you're wearing this playsuit in like August or September and you think, oh, it's a bit cold at night, you know, like when it gets to like, I don't know, 11 or 12 or something, you could chuck this cardigan over the top. How cute. Put the little collar out. Would you look at that? I mean, now if that ain't a look, I don't know what is. I mean, as I said, these looks aren't for everyone, but it's totally my style. So this is if I was getting cold, I would definitely wear this over the top cardigan as well, with a white shirt underneath, maybe with this over the top, just 'cause it looks a bit cute. So guys, the last item in my haul is this lovely playsuit. I know it looks like a dress, but it ain't. It fools you with a style, innit? So this is a lovely playsuit. It's purple and white, and it's lovely. It's got that nice sheared, is it called sheared? Sheared material. You know, like that material. I think it's called sheared material, innit? And it's high neck, lovely jubbly. At the back, it's got like a little, I mean a big, cute opening, but the good thing is that they've put a button in the middle, so you can actually wear a bra with this outfit, because the middle bit covers the bra and that bit's on show. So I mean, that is called smart engineering, my friend. And the middle is like ruched in and it stretches, and that's what the bottom looks like. Very cute. and the sleeves are the same, so they stretch or come in, whatever you want to do with it. This was my most expensive item of the haul. This was $29.99, but I think it's so worth it just because I love the pattern, the material. I just love it. It was originally $49.99. I mean, that was a whole £50. Definitely, I mean, I love it, but £50 is a lot in it. But £30, I mean, that's quite alright. So I'm glad I got it in a sale. I love it. And I got in a size small again. I'm sure I said that already, that everything in this haul is size small, but I'll just show you what it looks like on. So this is the playsuit, the last item. As you can see, it's very, very cute. This is the bit where it comes in at the middle, so it's kind of like got a bit of a puffy bit at the top, and it goes down to the bottom into the shorts. Obviously, it looks like a skirt, but it actually is shorts. Like, so that's really brilliant. And then these are the sleeves, what I was talking about, high neck, and then this was the back feature, what I was telling you about. So, mind the label. Let me move the label out of the way. Hold on. Right. So, that's the bottom bit. And then there's the middle bit that does up. And then there's the top bit. If I move the label out of the way. And it does up. 2 buttons there. So, yeah. Very, very lovely. So, that's my Zara haul complete. Sorry it weren't big. But, I mean, I only found 5 things that I liked, so I thought I'll still show you anyway, because you know, you might have the same style as me, you might like them, so I'll just give you a little show, and then you can go in the link below and see if you want to buy it. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, leave any comments down in the description, you know, if you bought anything from Zara, what's your favourite item of the haul, recommendations of videos you want me to film, or any questions you got for me. I'm open to everything, mate, so just leave it down there. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell, and also share the video with your family and friends. That would be very brilliant. And yeah, I hope you have a really great start to the year 2021, and just have a great prosperous year ahead. Oh, that was a big word. Yeah, have that ahead, and just be positive, talk to your family, you know, stay safe, all that kind of stuff, and yeah, just have fun. Alright then, I'll see you in my next video. Okay, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Okay, guys, bye.